So here's a steel mace workout you can do at home if you have one. Particularly this workout I've set up so that you don't have to do a lot of big swings and that it's relatively safe to do in your living room or your basement. Another good thing about the steel mace is they double for fantastic home defense. Smash if need be. So here's the workout. You've got 3 different exercises. We're going to do the switch and the squat. This is really good for developing strength in the legs, maintaining heart health. The second thing we're going to do is the crown killer. Most of you are already familiar with this. We're going to raise the mace overhead and pull down. And the third thing is called a mace curl. There's lots of different varieties of mace curls. This is one that I like. It's also really challenging for your grip. So here we go. So we're going to do 10 switch and squats. Then we're going to do 8 crown killers and then 5 mace curls, 5 on each arm.